Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to create mail merge template and customize them with Fanatical foresight. As organizations grow, the need for personalized and bulk emails, whether for team updates or client outreach, quickly becomes overwhelming. Manually sending recurring emails and managing multiple Gmail mail merge templates for different audiences like employees, vendors, or stakeholders is both time-consuming and error-prone. That's where Fanatical foresight comes in. Fanatical foresight helps by automating and personalizing your Gmail mail merge process. From onboarding messages to event invites and segmented campaigns, Foresight streamlines it all, ensuring the right message reaches the right person every time. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into Fanatical Foresight with your Google account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Mail Merge, send bulk emails from Gmail template, and click on it. In Mail Merge, send bulk emails from Gmail page, click the Copy rule. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Mail Merge. Send bulk emails from Gmail will display. Click Next at the bottom of the dialog. In the If Action screen, rename the default branch name to match the number of email templates as needed. In each branch under the If condition, update the default template name based on the values listed in the CSV file. Click Email Action from first branch's then condition. In the Email Action screen, in Subject, customize the email subject for the email template. In the email body, customize the body content for the personalized email template. Click Email 1 action from the rule graph. In the Email 1 screen, update subject and email body content as needed and click Email 2 from the rule graph. In the Email 2 screen, update subject and email body content and click Review at the bottom of dialog. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how Fanatical Foresight automates creating multiple mail merge templates and sending bulk emails from Gmail. Sign into Fanatical Foresight with your Google account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Mail Merge, send bulk emails from Gmail template, and click on it. In the Mail Merge, send bulk emails from Gmail page, click on the Download Sample CSV File button. Edit the sample CSV file and replace fake details with your organization data. Download the prepared CSV file. Now go to the Rules page. Click on Upload icon of Copy of Mail Merge, send bulk emails from Gmail rule. Upload the CSV file. Wait for a few moments till CSV is fully processed. After successful processing of each row of CSV, you will get a success notification along with other notifications on the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task Fanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Optional, go to your Gmail sent folder and see multiple personalized email templates have been sent to different users listed in the CSV file. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. Please visit xfanatical.com.